Hello, everyone. Welcome to EDUA 558, the Financial Resources class. My name is Will Nederson, and I am your instructor for the next 8 weeks. I look forward to working with you as we start to look at what finances schools, what political decisions are made to finance schools, and with that, getting into local control funding and future trends for education. And how different districts make their decisions on budgets and school site levels as well. I'm excited because you'll get to talk to your principals about how they budget for the school and how they maintain that budget for the school and the impact the district might have on it as well. With that, I want to give you a little heads up that you will be doing an interview. There's a chance that you could only do one interview, but possibly 2 interviews with your principal to talk about school budgets for assignment 1 and assignment number 3, could be assignment number 5 as well. So something to look forward to. A little background about myself. I'm an elementary school principal. I'm at Red Hill Elementary School. This is my 8th year at Red Hill. Prior to that, I was an elementary school principal at Vay Elementary School for 3 years. Both are in Tustin Unified. Vay is a Title I school, and Red Hill is a non-Title I school. 2 totally different socioeconomic groups, our language breakdowns and everything for the 2 different sites. So I have insight from there. Before that, I was an assistant principal at a middle school, and then I've been an elementary school teacher and a teacher on a special assignment at the district office level, working with a grant. I look forward to being reflective with you in how budgets are formed and looking at how your principals make some of those decisions and how the federal government, state government, and your school board have influence onto what you do with your budgets as well. My cell phone number is given on the syllabus. You can call that number, you can text that number, and I will respond to you. I want to make sure that you are aware that the syllabus should have the dates of each week, and when it says due the week 3, please remember all assignments are typically due the end of that week unless specified somewhere else, and you'll see that all within the syllabus and the links to the assignments. Please do not hesitate to call or text, email as well if you need to, and again, I'm here to support you any way, shape, or form that I can. I look forward to, again, meeting you during our virtual sessions and then chatting through discussion board and through text, phone calls, and emails. Have a great session, you guys.